Welcome back everybody to another Crypto Jet video where today we're talking about Decentraland. By the way, it's Decentraland's second birthday in the moment of recording this. That's very cool and you should keep it in mind. But what we're going to be covering today is going to be Decentraland itself. It's going to be a little bit of news from CoinDesk as always. What exactly Decentraland is, why I personally believe that there is better projects out there, and a final little price prediction that we are going to form on tradingview.com. So if you do enjoy the video, make sure to smash that like button. I really appreciate it. Let's move straight into it. So Decentraland, or Mana, is a 3D virtual world browser-based platform. It's basically a metaverse play to earn game, right? Where users may buy virtual plots of land, and they're all in the form of NFTs and via this Mana cryptocurrency, which uses the Ethereum blockchain. It was opened in February of 2020, and it is quite large at this point. $4.9 billion in it, so judging by the market cap, and it's the 30th coin on the market. So quite huge, and recently it was their second birthday, so that's very, very fast. You know, even they are very excited about it. And to show their gratitude, they're creating a party inside of that giant cake in the game itself. Now, before we move on into Decentraland itself and what it is, I wanted to cover a quick piece of news just to make you guys take care when you're doing business and operating online when it comes to cryptos. So OpenSea is investigating some exploit rumors as users complain of missing NFTs. Now, a lot of emails have been sent to the OpenSea staff about a lot of hacks or something happening, right? And essentially what happened is they realized that it's a phishing attack. They don't, what just happened? They don't believe that it's connected to the OpenSea website itself, but it appears that 32 users thus far have signed a malicious payload from an attacker, and obviously some of their NFTs were stolen. So what I wanted to tell you right now is that if you are a part of the online community, if you are trading cryptocurrencies, don't open stupid emails. Don't write your personal information in emails on the internet, because someone may just be phishing. They take your info once and it's out there, right? And they can steal everything from you in 1 second and just leave you completely dry. So be very careful. Use two-factor authentication, use all of that stuff to be completely secure that you don't get played with on the internet. So that's a very important thing I wanted to mention. Now, moving into Decentraland itself, it's a land where you can create, explore, and trade in the first ever virtual world owned by its users. Now, the game itself is not too good. Personally, I prefer Sandbox. It's another game that is, Decentraland is the 30th in the world. Sandbox is the 37th. So they're very close, but I personally believe Sandbox is better. It is my personal opinion. You can lose yourself in this amazing evolving world, so you can explore these lands owned by users to experience incredible scenes and structures. From a space adventure to a medieval dungeon maze to entire villages crafted by the minds of the community. You can create pretty much whatever you want: casinos, clubs, playgrounds, buildings, skyscrapers. It's really cool, and you can build unlimitedly high in height, which means that essentially your plot of land can increase in value indefinitely, which is a very cool aspect of design, right? Now, it's trading of these digital assets is also very possible, so you can sell and buy land, estates, avatar wearables, NFTs, pretty much everything going on. And essentially, there's a lot of different tutorial videos right here. If you actually want to start to play the game, you can press the button right here, start exploring, and it will prompt you into the Decentraland actual game, so you can check it out. Spoiler alert, I checked it out. I don't like it. I like Sandbox more. My personal opinion, okay? Now moving into TradingView, where I'm going to turn on the chart of Decentraland itself, just so we can see something. I was doing a little Litecoin review before, but and by the way, you can check out the Litecoin video on YouTube right now, just before this one, I would say. And here we can see a little bit about the chart, right? So what I was drawing last time is the fact that we are in a very important zone of, okay, so let me do this again just to make it very, very abundantly clear for you guys, right? So we have an uptrend going on, right? But at the same time, we have a downtrend. So we are in some sort of a triangle, and it's very important to see where we will end up in this triangle in the near future. Now, if we do something along the lines of this and break out towards the top, that's a bullish sign, and then we're moving bullish. That's pretty apparent, right? But if we continue moving like this and break out towards the bottom, well, that is a pretty bearish sign. Now, there is a significant zone of support that I would be taking care of. So this right here is very, very important, and it does offer price the opportunity to come down here and bottom out, creating a double bottom pattern. That would also be a reversal pattern, so it would be bullish, right? But once again, in the case that it does just do this and, respects the trend line from the bottom side, right? So right here, and then continues moving down, well, obviously that's bearish. So keep that in mind, but long term, I do believe Mana is one of the first ones to enter the metaverse in such a way that I believe it's going to be a long-lasting coin, the same as Bitcoin is right now, even though utility-wise, it's not really the best, right? So that's pretty much it about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest into cryptos, you will be held accountable on your own. But yeah, I guess I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.